Hello everyone, and welcome to Best Gadget. In this video we will test and review the Blueskysea B4K DashCam Ultra HD Real 4K car dash camera, utilizing 8-megapixel IMX415 low-light capable image sensor to capture detailed and crisp clear images of license plates and road signs with high resolution at 30 frames per second. This Blueskysea B4K is a premium quality, full 4K resolution car dash camera specially designed for safe driving. The WDR function records a wider dynamic range of light levels so that details normally hidden in the shadows are recorded. This 4K dash cam records not only accident results but also the lead up to the impact. When an event is detected, a 30 seconds video, 10 seconds before and 20 seconds after the impact, will be saved and protected from overwrite. An optional hardwire kit, which can switch the camera into parking mode when it detects that the car is parked, is available separately. With an integrated 3.16 ultra-wide and compact screen IPS monitor, which clearly displays dual front and rear video views, rear camera is optional, easy-to-read setup menus, live view and video playback, built-in GPS receiver. The car camera logs the current speed and GPS location with optional video overlay and will automatically synchronize the clock with GPS satellite time. What's more, the route recorded by GPS is displayed on Google Maps during playback. B4K dashboard camera has built-in Wi-Fi with easy connection to your smartphone app. You can synchronize the files on the car camera to your phone through the UCam app. It's very convenient to operate live preview, playback, and device management on your smartphone. What's more, video files can be downloaded to smartphone and shared with your friend by social media. This vehicle dashcam has many more basic functions such as night vision, loop recording, G-sensor, motion detection, time-lapse recording, audio recording and time, date, speed video watermarks, supporting a maximum 256GB micro SD card.